Hey guys, welcome to this video. The West Country Angler. Right, this is an intro which is also an outro. Reason being is I've just finished. You missed it. Well, you didn't, or hopefully you didn't. I won't know until I get home and start editing the film, because I filmed it on the tripod again. Because I'm fishing from the bank, I've just got my wellies, no waders. And I never know what the footage is going to be like, because when I'm using the tripod, I forget to move you guys. I'm moving and I look behind me and the camera's no longer looking at me. It's 20 yards down the stream. So hopefully you get some decent footage, or I get some decent footage for you to see. How have I done? I think I had 3 or 4. Couple of missed rises, nice sized fish. And the reason why I've come down here today, I'll just show you. I'll just step down the bank. Oh, so there's a River Lomond today. It's got a couple of inches on it from, she says, from the other day. Right, my timeline's gone. I forget when I've uploaded a video, and you'd have seen it compared to when I went fishing. I think I was down here a week ago. Yeah, that sounds about right. The flow's up since then, or the level, because we've had a bit of rain, and that's the reason why I'm back down the River Lomond. The River Exe is going to be really coloured, carrying quite a bit of flow. So what I prefer to do is to leave the River Exe when we've had a bit of rain, let the level drop a little bit, and also let it lose that colour and start to clear up. Then I find the fishing is a bit more fun. So I had to scratch the fly fishing itch. So I just walked the 5 minutes from my house. Basically, I just crossed the road and come down to the River Lomond. I searched upstream till I got to the pool where we were last time. I didn't have a single rise. Got to the pool, changed to Alcaire Caddis, boom, then suddenly I was getting rises. I should have stuck to the Alcaire Caddis, but I was starting to think it was a bit of a, I was being lazy. So stupidly, I was trying to be clever about my fly selection, trying to pick out flies which I thought might be suitable, although I'd not seen any rises, and I didn't get any rises. Changed to the Alcaire Caddis. I had 4 rises, I think, in that pool. I think I missed one. The edit will show it. And then I've walked downstream and I've fished a couple of pools, and I've had another one and missed one on the way down. Access is still the problem. I'm still using my 10-foot rod. I am looking at which rod to get. I think I'm just going to go for another Shakespeare Agility rods, because this one's been faultless, and for the price it's fantastic. So why spend more when, to be honest, this is only going to be a little play around. The Exe is the main river I fish, but then a rod that size might be useful for Dartmoor. If it's a little rod I can just flick around. Hey, I hadn't thought of that one. And talking of Dartmoor, I'm just starting to plan the trips to Dartmoor for this year. I intend to get 2 trips out. I think I mentioned that last year. I intend to get 2 trips, one around May and the other one around about September again. But we'll see. So yeah, so this is the outro, which is the intro, which means there won't be an outro. But I don't think there was last time. Yes, there was. So yeah, there won't be an outro. So all I can say is thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it. Massive thank you to you guys who do keep watching these videos and who are subscribed. I really appreciate that. It just gives me a bit of a boost to keep making them. And I really like the fact I'm getting more comments now, getting more feedback, asking me questions, but saying what you also would like to see. So if you've got any suggestions or even criticisms, I'm an everyman fly fisherman. I'm not an expert by any means. I don't claim to be. I just have a bit of fun. But if you've got any questions or feedback, criticisms, positive, whatever it is, leave me a comment. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this little bit of fishing. That was a lot of talking, wasn't it? I'm going to edit all of that out, I know I am. Right, let's try a cheeky dangle. I can't cast from up on this high bank. Precarious. I think they'll be over that far bank back there, or over here where it's just slightly deeper and faster. And I have got my eye on a smaller rod, but at the moment I'm still persevering with the 10 foot. Up. Not seeing any rises. Nope. Bugger. Now, it's the first rise I've had to fly today, and I just lost it. Oh, hopefully this is on camera. No trees. Oh. There we go. Beautiful. Let's check in all the trees around me. Oh, I can't see down the water, I haven't got waders on. Got to keep remembering that. Number 2.